Hi everyone, so today I have this Dell and I will show how to change the SSD card, this mSata that it has. So this is a Dell Latitude e7240. So for this one, it's quite simple how to take it from the shell. So you just turn it around and you take off the battery. And then you will have here two screws in each side. So unscrew these ones. These are Phillips screws. So I think it's PH0. Yeah, it's here PH0. So you can use this screwdriver to take them out. So just take them out, each one. So you just use this screwdriver and it's enough. Now to take this cover, you just slide it to this side and just lift it afterwards, and just slide it a bit more because here are the inches where it connects over here. Now it depends of your laptop. So for me, I just have here one, but I believe there is a possibility that you can have here another one in this other side. Either way, it's exactly the same method to take this one or even both. So you just have here a screw, so as well Phillips screwdriver, and you unscrew it, and as you can see it lifts up a little bit. So now you just lift it up more and you just pull it, and that's it. So from the other side is exactly the same thing. So if it was here as well, you can see that it has here some screw over here to unscrew in case it had. I believe that most of them have the screw, otherwise it will not hold in place. So actually this is very basic one. So if you want then to put a new SSD, and just slide it in, you press it and you put the screw back in place, and basically that's it. So then put the cover and put again the screws, and afterwards the battery, and that's it. So pretty straightforward. Actually it's more easy than it seems. So just slide it and open, and that's it. And take the screw, and pretty straightforward. So I hope this helped someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.